Time, let's get you another reaction that is now coming in from a DMK leader, and MP Kanimozhi has also reacted on this BSP Neta's death, and she goes on to say, quickly translating that, which she says that Bahujan Samaj Party State President Mr. Armstrong's assassination by anti-social elements is shocking and is painful. My deepest condolences to the family and to the friends. So extending condolences is also Kanimozhi, and where she says that this is assassination that has now taken place of Mr. Armstrong, the BSP chief unit of Tamil Nadu. And when it comes to extending deepest condolences to his family and friends, that is now being done by Kanimozhi, the DMK MP as well. Let's quickly take a look at this post on social media, where Kanimozhi is also reacting on the BSP Neta's death that has been reported, this murder that has been reported in Perambur in Chennai, near his residence. And she goes on to say, and I quote once again, that the Bahujan Samaj Party State President Mr. Armstrong's assassination by anti-social elements is shocking and painful. My deepest condolences to his family and his friends. And that is the message that is now coming from Kanimozhi herself. However, when it comes to the BSP, they have been saying that they are not happy with the investigation. They say that 8 people who have been arrested and taken into custody have no links whatsoever when it comes to this murder that has now been committed, and thereafter they are demanding that the investigation be handed over to the CBI. Protests also taking place, road roko also on part of the BSP cadres that was taking place right outside the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital. Meanwhile, when it comes to the questions that are being raised on the crime situation, on the law and order situation, this is how the BJP is reacting.
I strongly condemn this incident. It's a national party state president. He is unable to survive because of the law and order situation in Tamil Nadu. The DMK government is totally failure to maintain the law and order situation. Because today the Armstrong is died, the Gundas are hacked to death him, and 10 days before, 65, almost 70 people died because of the illicit arak. So where is going, what they are doing? Even Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is controlling his police department, and Home Ministry is with him. He is unable to control the police, or he is unable to control the law and order situation. This is very strongly condemned.
Now in Tamil Nadu, under the watch of DMK, the Bahujan Samaj Party's Tamil Nadu President Armstrong has been hacked to death by a gang of 6 members, and that too at 7 p.m. and they came with heavy weaponry, with machetes, with swords, with sickles, and they used this in the evening at 7 p.m. and hacked Armstrong to death. The crime rates in Tamil Nadu, crimes in Tamil Nadu, particularly in Chennai, are on the rise under DMK's watch. Because DMK's priority is something else. It is only corruption and money making. Does Mr. Stalin even have the moral right to continue?
Once again, a brutal murder in Chennai city. The old Madras is becoming city of murders. This is happening everywhere in Tamil Nadu. Mr. Stalin, is this Dravida model? This is what you mean by Dravida model? Where is the police? Where is the administration? It's complete failure of the administration in Tamil Nadu. This is mainly because of the drug syndicate. You are not able to control it. You are not able to control the illicit liquor. Murders are happening everywhere. This is because of the political influence. The police, their hands are tied. Give police a free hand. If they are not given free hands, these murders cannot be stopped. If you are not able to control this, Mr. Stalin, with your iron arm, please tender a resignation letter.
Well, that is how, when it comes to the BJP, they have been reacting. Reactions also coming on part of the AIA, DMK, how they have been raising the situation. According to them, the law and order situation, which is deteriorating in the state of Tamil Nadu. However, the police claim that at least 8 individuals who have been taken into custody, but the motive is something that would be important to note on part of the police, because they say in some time the picture will become clear. There would be more clarity as to what could be the possible motive in carrying out a heinous incident like this, where the individual identified as K. Armstrong was hacked to death as far as the backbone assailants are concerned. And there are CCTV footages to also explain the same, because it was not only him, he was surrounded by other people as well. And such kind of murder that has been carried out, that has shocked many, especially when it comes to the condolence messages that has also come in from the party chief Mayawati on this. But we are also looking at a statement that has now been issued. But they have been saying that the pictures which are running on the third window of your screen, which says probe on and 8 arrested, according to the BSP, they believe that all of these individuals are not linked to the murder of Mr. K. Armstrong. They believe that the real individuals or the real criminals are still on the run, and they say that they don't trust when it comes to the state police of Tamil Nadu in carrying out a free and fair investigation. Mr. Kovai Satyan is with us. Mr. Satyan, how would you react to this murder of Mr. K. Armstrong?
It is highly condemnable. At the same time, it clearly exposes the state of law and order in the state of Tamil Nadu under M.K. Stalin incompetence. 2 days ago, it was one of our party members who, for giving tip to the police regarding the drug peddlers, was murdered. And prior to that, there is another. So political leaders getting murdered across Tamil Nadu has become a common norm right now. The heights of it is the state office bearer of a party, national party, Armstrong, being murdered, shows the level of incompetence the state intelligence and as well as the police force are under the leadership of M.K. Stalin. The law and order is in shambles. And M.K. Stalin doesn't seem to take the corrective actions. Or he's giving a free hand to the police.
All right, so you're demanding that a free hand is needed to be given to the police to carry out a thorough investigation. Thank you very much, Mr. Kovai Satyan. As far as the AIA-DMK has also been reacting in the way as they have been demanding when it comes to the BJP as well, and also the BSP, that the investigation be handed over to the CBI. Yes, Meenakshi, more reactions coming in.
Well, absolutely, Amita. Now there are reactions which are pouring on social media, and we'll be opening those reactions for our viewers shortly, from Kamal Haasan to actor Vijay. Obviously, Kamal Haasan is a politician turned Neta at the moment, but we have top celebs and the biggest voices who are reacting from Tamil Nadu. Now, first of all, let me take our viewers to what Kamal Haasan had to say. Kamal Haasan says the BSP state president and lawyer Armstrong was brutally hacked to death. That's shocking and painful. He says deepest condolences and sympathies to the family of this BSP leader. He says his death is a loss for the people of the SC/ST community. He always spoke for downtrodden. Assassination of the leader of a national party by mercenaries is highly condemnable, and he urges the Tamil Nadu government to take immediate action. Now, what does actor Vijay have to say? Very similar reaction. He has also said that this incident is extremely shocking and painful, and he has also expressed his condolences to the bereaved family and friends, and also finally asking the Tamil Nadu government to take necessary precautionary measures to ensure that such heinous crimes do not take place in the future in the state of Tamil Nadu. Back to you, Amita.
All right, Meenakshi, thank you for that update. Reactions that have been pouring as Meenakshi has been pointing out, but when it comes to the political ones, what the BJP and the AIA-DMK have been suggesting, that right now the situation, the law and order situation in the state of Tamil Nadu has worsened, and owing to such kind of killings that have taken place, you can see the pictures of the BSP cadres that have been holding in massive protest right outside the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital. Remains to be seen when the body is cleared of autopsy and thereafter handed over to the family members. But there have been certain demands that have now been kept forth on part of the BSP as well, because they have been demanding full state honors for Mr. K. Armstrong, for the last rites to be also carried out, and as far as saying that the probe needs to be handed over to the CBI. Reactions that have been coming on part of the DMK as well, on part of the government as well, where M.K. Stalin has been saying that required action on part of the police is taking place, and all of the culprits will be brought to book. Those are the updates coming in from the state of Tamil Nadu over this brutal manner in which this killing has been carried out of a BSP state unit chief, K. Armstrong.